Why doesn't everybody do this? It's wet. It reminded me of mermaids. I'm a mermaid, so if you guys want to see what my awesome room looks like, subscribe. I'll do this at home. I feel so much more entertaining when I'm not talking about planners. Haley, you're so funny. Why aren't you funny all the time? I'm telling you how to be productive. Something funny about planners. Everyone who watches my videos is gonna be like, who is this chick? Oh man, it's hot in here. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Haley Cairo if you guys are new, and if you are a returning subscriber, I am so glad you guys are back for another video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications. Hit the bell. It really helps me out because for whatever reason, YouTube decided to just not show you guys when I post new videos. It's fine though. It's fine. It's all good. You guys can also follow along on social media. I have two accounts, my Hale's Health and my Haley Cairo. Hale's Health's mostly fitness and recipes, and Haley Cairo is just my life. I put a poll on Instagram the other day and I was like, hey look, I spent way too much money at Sephora, should I do a haul? And you guys all said yes, so that's what we're doing. The title is not incorrect, but it is a little exaggerated because I did have some gift cards, so that helped a bit, but I'm still gonna need to recover a little bit from this haul. From this sale. Might not be at Sephora for a while. But while we're at it, let's take a thumbnail. So I finally splurged and I got the Clarisonic Mia 2. I've been kind of stealing my mom's for the past few months. Sorry, mom. This is a great investment because I kind of get lazy with taking off my makeup. I know, but oh man, I got stuff on it. But this has been such a lifesaver because I actually feel like I'm getting everything off. My skin feels much more supple and clean, especially in my neck and décolleté area where I get a lot of buildup because when I work out and like the makeup run off and then this gets funky and then this helps. We'll start with the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Pink Juice Moisturizer. Lauren Everts talks about this religiously. She also talks about the watermelon sleep mask, which I might get later. He was like, Michael loves the smell of it before bed, and I was like, Kyle would like this. Although he's not a huge fan of watermelon flavored things. I love the packaging. It smells amazing if you like watermelon. Very refreshing feeling on the skin. I like it daytime under my makeup. It doesn't feel too sticky or too moisturizing. It's a really good balance. I haven't obviously used it long enough to say whether or not it's super effective from what I've used so far. It made my makeup look really nice today, so there's that. And then following the trend, the Drunk Elephant, Ali Sevdalis has been talking about this brand for so long and I just had to give it a shot. I've been in the market for an eye cream, and the Tea Tango Multivitamin Eye Cream, I love the packaging too. This one, I like the fact that it says that it's firming and brightening because that is what I need. It contains an 8-peptide blend and obviously vitamin C. Stronger looking skin around the eye area. I think it will help with my dark circles just because it is a brightening product, so we shall see. I also got the Sukari Baby Facial. It has 25% AHA and 2% BHA. This is awesome for anyone who needs their skin to just feel alive again. I tried this mask for the first time the other night. I put it on, left it on for 20 minutes, took it off in the shower, and then it comes with a marula oil that you're supposed, like a serum that you put on right afterwards. The next day, my skin, I'm not even kidding when it says like you get that baby face. My skin was so supple but plump, but not like a bloated plump. It just looked very, this is like $80, but if you're gonna get a face mask, it's like you might as well get one that's like really good and works. I've used a ton of face masks, have spent well over $80 trying different ones. This one I think is definitely amazing, and I like that it comes with that marula oil. I think that's, you're getting more for your value. You're getting more for your money. You guys know I'm a huge fan of the Supergoop SPF setting spray, but I was getting frustrated with the nozzle clogging, and then I was getting like really concentrated spritzes on my face, and then it would get in my eye. So I wanted to try the Urban Decay All Nighter, and I actually forgot to put it on today, but I like it because it's a fine mist. Has like a really almost not there scent, which is fine, but it really works. I talked about this on Instagram the other day. I did 2 workouts. It was over 2 hours long. My makeup was like perfectly fine, which is just insane to me. I feel like this product needs a dramatic entrance. Can I get a drum roll? The Silk Canvas Primer from Tatcha Harper. I think I watched 15 to 20 reviews before purchasing this because I was like, I just bought 3 primers. I don't need another primer, but everyone's talking about this primer, and I've been really frustrated with doing my makeup lately. Like my foundation just does not look good. Today, however, what do you guys think? It look good? This might be a holy grail product. And I like the packaging. I know everybody was saying like, you don't get a lot of product, but I kind of like that it's like a balm and not a lotion or whatever. It has that clean tatcha harper scent. When they come out with a fragrance, someone call me because I will want it. This product is amazing. It's not too heavy on the skin. I know a lot of people said that because there's think silicone. They don't say it's silicone. I could be wrong. And then I'm gonna get everyone who's allergic to silicone really mad at me. So it says it's a filter finish, like pores are gone. And I looked in the mirror and I was just like, pores? What are pores? I love this. It is, I think, over 50 bucks. Worth it. Like if you were gonna pick up a few things this summer, this would be it, because I think for summer it's gonna be great because you're gonna get that flawless look. Even though the sale's done, if you didn't pick this up, this should be on your summer wish list, because I feel like even if you have oily skin or you're just afraid of your skin not being able to hold on to foundation and product during the summertime, this with your foundation, a matte finishing powder, and your all-nighter spray for the summertime, your makeup's not gonna go anywhere. Like you will look. Everybody has been talking about this Becca Hydra Mist Set and Refresh Powder, and at first I was like, I have seen so many products that say that they're like wet to dry, cream to dry, whatever, and it's never super thrilling. It's kind of anticlimactic. I'm just like, whatever. This actually freaked me out. When you touch it, it feels wet, but it's powder. This is also props to you, Becca. I love this. I hate opening powder and it goes everywhere. Why doesn't everybody do this? I love this. I love that it is a peach undertone. I set my makeup with this today. It felt amazing. It blends perfectly. You don't get that white film on your face. So I took photos and I had nothing. I didn't look like a ghost. Super happy about it. I also picked up these cute sponges for literally no particular reason. If I'm being 100% honest with you guys, I only bought this because it made me happy. It reminded me of mermaids. I'm a mermaid, so it's these Sephora sponges. I don't even really want to take them out of the packaging. They look like shells. Yeah, you know what? I'm not using this. This is purely decoration. If you guys can't tell, my room is mermaid themed. I'm gonna be doing a room tour and a makeup tour, like vanity tour. So if you guys want to see what my awesome room looks like, subscribe. I'll do this at home. I feel so much more entertaining when I'm not talking about planners. Haley, you're so funny. Why aren't you funny all the time? Because I'm telling you how to be productive. There's something funny about planners, except when you don't use them, but you spend a ton of money on them. Everyone who watches my videos is gonna be like, who is this chick? So they're little seashells. How adorable is that, right? Like so stinking cute. I mean, they're a great size, like for concealer, but I don't know, they're just so cute. I don't want to use them. Okay, so I picked up two different bronzers. This is the Benefit Hoola Quickie Contour Stick. I love the original Hoola, so I was like, gonna love this. And I do because, and I'm gonna swatch it for you. So pigmented and creamy. Oh my gosh. This was my favorite cream contour stick I've ever used. I've used like 5 or 6 of them, and they always either don't blend right, they're not the right shade, or I put it on my face and then I go to blend it and I look ashy. This is just warming and glowy. I think it was $28, which is a good price point for that. Now this next product, I'm not even 100% sure why I got this. It looked different on Sephora's website, but it's the Tarte Pink Princess Bronzer, and it has one of those magnetic deals. I don't know. I'm not like saying you should run out and get this bronzer. I did use it today. I think it's a really nice color for just all over. But again, it's not something I feel like you have to have, but it's pretty. It's just nice. But again, like I said, I'm not like, go get this bronzer. I am so crazy. So I purchased 3 different highlighters or luminizers, whatever you want to call them. They're all limited edition, so you're gonna have to figure out which ones you guys like the best because they're all really great. I'm wearing them all today, actually, all 3 of them on my face. This is the Too Faced Unicorn Dreams from their festival collection. Super fun, has a unicorn on it. It's pinky and golden and glowy, but also has that multicolored holographic thing going on because it's unicorn themed. It's really pigmented and beautiful, and I love it. This is super hyped up. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Resi palette. I'm blinding you. Ooh, look at that. This, when I opened it and swatched it, it was like midnight. I was like sitting in my bed, opening up my stuff, and I was just like, guys, I just touched it. Glow up. I'm not wasting this. Heck no. This is gorgeous. Yeah, wow. I love it. I really love it. And I think it's 28 bucks. Not bad. This one I think is super unique, and if you're into oranges or corals, it's something that would be really cool for your collection because it's not marketed as a blush, it's marketed as a skin perfector, so highlighter, illuminator. Illuminator or luminizer? What is the correct term? You ready for this? This is Dreamsicle. It is like a creamsicle color, and it's gorgeous. I'm wearing it today. So again, this one's limited edition, but I think it's super fun. You could even use it One of the reasons that I like this product so much is it's a good kind of in-between shade from your contour bronzer to your highlighter. Sometimes I feel like the contrast is just too much, and this is like the perfect kind of blending shade because it's in between, you know, colors. So like I said, I had this on today and I kind of use it as a blusher. It's beautiful. Really like this. I also am looking at the Becca Tiger Lily blush. It's like a really strong orange. I forgot that I got this. This is the new Benefit Gold Rush blush. They have minis, so I was like, it's smaller, it's cheaper, can't hurt. The top of it had this like gold sheen on it, but it's just on the top layer. Just another kind of peachy color. It's very similar actually to, I would say it's a little bit more pink than the Dreamsicle. Love this. This will probably be a full-size purchase soon. They also have a really great blush palette out right now that I think is like 50 something, which is a great deal. You get like 6 blushes. Oh my gosh, and this smells amazing. I just am now realizing this. It's got like a floral scent. The last makeup product that I got was another recommendation from Ali Sevdalis. I love the BOOKS, are they lip creams? Full-on lip creams. This is in the color Peach Daiquiri. Holy moly, it's so me. Yes. I love this. I love this color. I love this formula. It's not too sticky. It's a little tingly. It's just nice. This was a really weird purchase. I've actually never even tried the Bum Bum cream. On the hunt for a new fragrance for summer, and I have kind of a weird story about that actually. They had this fragrance. It's just very like warm, kind of like you were laying on the beach all day and you smell like sand and salt and suntan lotion and coconut, but like you might have put on perfume at some point during the day. That's what this is. It's their, it smells like the cream. The Brazilian Crush body fragrance mist. I think it's perfect for like your beach bag and you just like want to be like a beach goddess. Okay, enough of this, Haley. Now this next story, I'm gonna speed it up because I probably don't want to hear it, but I was looking for the Sail Away perfume from Replica, the new one. So I said, you guys marketed that you had this available. Is it out? Like, where is it? And she said, let me go check with my manager. I think we have it in the back. She comes back a few minutes later and she's like, yeah, so we have it. We don't have a tester made out. It's coming out next Thursday. You can purchase it, and if you don't like it, you can bring it back. And I was like, so I can either purchase it, it's like 130 bucks on top of everything I'm already getting, or I can wait until it comes out, not get to take part in the sale. I don't know. I felt like customer service wise, it just wasn't a good move on Sephora's part. I don't know. Because they could have made a sale, you know what I mean? If I really liked it, or given me a sample. I don't know. Whatever. Whatever. I did pick up a roller ball of Beach Walk because it smells amazing, like a beach walk. So good. If you guys like those beachy scents, like I said, like sunscreen, and I'm gonna actually put the notes here so that way I sound like I know what I'm talking about. But then I've mixed it. So this is my tip on like the summer scents. If you want to smell like a beachy babe but still feminine and sensual, it's all about mixing. So I mixed the Replica Beach Walk with Sun DG, holy mackerel, I'm gonna butcher this. Gio. I'm Italian and this is making me look horrible. Oh my gosh. Gioia? It's one of the new Giorgio Armani. It's the Sun scent. So I mixed these two. They sent me a little marketing thing, which is actually really funny because it has a sample scent of the Replica Sailing Away. So now I know what it smells like. I really like it. It has kind of a musty salt smell, which I personally like. I know not everyone's gonna be into that. 3 times Beauty Insider points on fragrance, April 30th through May 13th. So you guys can pick up a new fragrance if you'd like. I also really love this new Versace Dylan Blue. I smelled this in store. I loved it. A little heavy for summer, but it's so really pretty. But this one is definitely gonna be coming up. It says that the notes are Aquatic Accord, Iris, Absolute, and Ambergris. Yes. So that was everything that I picked up from Sephora. I hope you guys enjoyed this haul as much as I am enjoying these products. I probably will do another Sephora haul for my birthday. There's a couple Fenty products and some Marc Jacobs coconut limited edition products that I'd like to pick up. If you guys have any questions about these products, or feel free to recommend anything else to me. I think you get the gist of what I like. Salty, peachy, beachy, you name it, it's me. I know I sound like a broken record, but please subscribe to my channel if you guys want to see more content. I have some awesome DIYs coming up for your bedroom and your office, as well as some more productivity videos and some health and fitness stuff coming your way. So don't want to miss out on that, as well as following along on social media. Also, feel free to leave any type of videos you guys want to see from me. But as always, I hope you're doing well, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.